Welcome to Sauga Arts HUB, Mississauga's online arts community. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to update your profile so you can share your creative practice and showcase your work to best connect with other artists and collaborators. First, click Login at the top right of the page and enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, you should automatically be on your profile page. But if not, click the person icon at the top right corner to go to your public profile. Then, click the gear icon next to your display name and select Edit Profile. From here, you can upload or change your profile image and cover photo, update your biography, or add and edit your categories, contact information, and social links. To change your profile image, click the camera icon on the profile avatar, select Upload Photo, click Upload, and select the image you would like to use for your profile picture. It will need to be cropped into a square. You'll see a box pop up to help you position it correctly. Select Apply when you're done. All uploaded images have a file size cap. Keeping them under 1 megabyte is ideal, and we recommend using JPEG or PNG formats for best results. To change your cover photo, select the plus icon, select Upload a cover photo, select Upload, select the photo from your device. If you would like to upload an image that already fits the ratio of your cover photo size, the best ratio is roughly 3:1 or 1000 pixels by 370 pixels. The crop box will help you determine the best position for your cover image as well. Once you are happy with the crop, hit Apply. Both your profile image and cover photo will appear on your profile listing in the directory. You can also update your biography in the following text box. Your bio can be up to 700 characters in length, so try to keep it concise while highlighting your artistic background and practice. If you scroll down, you can edit your listing categories, which will change how you are tagged in the artist directory. You can also add in any external links you would wish to share, like your website URL, or your Instagram and other social media handles. When you're finished, click the checkmark icon at the top of the page or scroll down and select Update Profile to save your changes. To upload images to your profile, go to the Photos section and click Upload Works. Select the image file from your device and then click Add again. Allow a moment for the image to upload and the page to refresh. Images may be slightly cropped to fit the display, so choose files that can handle a bit of trimming around the edges. You can also change the title and add captions to the image via the pencil icon in the top right corner. This is perfect for including artwork details or context if it's something like an album cover or an event photo. When you're happy with the caption details, click Update. To share YouTube videos on your page, go to the Video tab and click Add. Enter the YouTube video ID. This ID is a series of letters and numbers at the back half of a YouTube URL, following the equal sign. Do not enter the full YouTube URL as you will receive an error message. Click Add again to confirm and have it embedded on your profile. In order to delete photos and videos from your profile, you will need to click the trash can icon that is located on top of the photo or video that you are trying to erase. If you don't notice a change immediately, be patient and refresh the page. And that's it. You now know how to update your profile to best showcase yourself and your work in our artist directory. Don't worry if you miss a step or want to make a change later. You can always come back and update your profile at any time. If you have any questions, notice a bug, or need any assistance at all, please reach out to us at info@saugaartshub.com. Thanks for being a part of the Sauga Arts Hub community.